everyone, today in this video I want to talk to you about how you can grow roses, how you can care about them, and how you can prune them. Let me start to tell you some tips for prune your roses. First tips is to remove all remaining leaves. What's mean? It means all these leaves you should cut off them. Even though it is healthy, and you can see there is no any disease on my roses. Why? Because always in center I let them be empty. Honestly, prevention is so better than treatment. We do prune our roses for prevent them for cannot get a disease and fungus cannot grow on them. I saw many people grow roses like this. I don't prune these for show you. It is a big mistake for grow roses. You should always keep them short. This is not really good way for grow roses. I will show you how you should prune it. And next is when you want to start to prune them, you should start with the dead wood. If any dead wood are in your roses, you should cut off them. As you can see, there is no any. About this one too, I have another one. Let me to show you. This is another one. This is another. I pruned this, and I pruned this for tell you step 2 for pruning. Honestly, after you prune them, you should do something for these after they sprouting. So I did prune it 2 weeks ago, and you can see after just 2 weeks it start to grow like this. So let me start on that one. As you can see, it growing like this. We don't want this grow, so you should try to find out a pot and then you cut it off from this part. As you can see, here we have a pot, but it will grow to inside. We want it grow to outside. Always roses should grow to outside, no inside. Inside should be empty, and we should find out a pot. As you can see, this is a pot, grow to outside. So we cut off this from top of that. Don't go near. Okay, it will grow like this. And about this one, as you can see, this is not good, so we cut off this from these buds. These buds grow to inside. We don't want that. We want this one. So I'm gonna to cut off this from this part. I put this stem in water, and I'm growing some of them in water and in soil. As you can see, I pruned this before. As you can see, I use a bottle like this As you can see, all of them sprouting. As you can see, you can grow roses in this way too. So another tip on roses is you should always use a sharpen tools for clean cuts. Next is a clean up all the dead leaves and the dead branch around your roses. And next step is feed them. Let me to show you how I feed them. As you can see, this is a sheep manure. I use a sheep manure for my fruit tree and my roses, and like this all around it. Sprinkle them all around your roses and they will start to grow. Next step, after they start to grow, as you can see, this one grow to another one, so we cut it off, we punch them. This is so important. After they sprouting and start to grow, you should punch those stem or grow to inside, and these old leaves should be cut off. Old leaves should be cut off. Don't forget about this. Next tips about grow roses. Honestly, this is a best and the correct way for pruning. I will show you how you will get a healthy plant in next season and with lots of flower on them. Next tips about grow roses is don't water them from the top. This is so important. You should water them always from the base. Don't spray water on them. Prevention is so better than treatment. If you prevent them from the disease, so you will get a healthy plant and always they will give you beautiful flowers. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe my channel and let me to show you one of my fruit tree. Probably you never seen this before. This is a umbrella mulberry. As you can see, growing like this. I will show you all my fruit tree. This is my pear tree. I grafted this last year. This graft from just a year, it grow like this. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe the channel. Stick with me. I will show you all my fruit tree, all my plant, and share with you all my experiment about gardening. Happy gardening. Have a blessed week.